Hi guys! So for today's video, isasama namin kayo sa aming dinner date. So ito-try namin for the first time tong Hook Seafoods on board Symphony of the Seas. Located nga pala tong restaurant na to on Deck 16. So just to give you an idea, this Symphony of the Seas actually holds total of 18 decks. At ayan nga, meron silang oyster, fresh oyster, baked oyster, lobster. Nakarang ko pa talaga gustong itry itong seafood restaurant na to kasi hindi lahat ng barko merong specialty restaurant like Hook Seafood. At sobrang seafood lover ako, so this is the best time. For our starter, order kami ng cocktail shrimp, baked and fresh oyster, and calamari. Actually, sa starter pa lang, busog ka na. First time ko nga ulit makatikim ng oyster. Parang the last time na try ko to, parang sobrang bata ko pa talaga. Kasi yung asawa ko talagang paulit-ulit niyan sinasabi gusto niyang itry dahil nga nakikita niya sa TikTok, sa Facebook, sa YouTube, yung fresh oyster. So gusto niyang itry. So far okay naman. Ayan, may pwede mong lagyan ng vinegar, ng lemon. So it's up to you kung anong ilagay mo. So ako nilagay ko lahat. Okay naman, masarap naman siya. At siya din, ayan, tinry niya rin. So far, naubos na siya. Yung umubos ng lahat. Parang nakadalawa lang ata ako. Mas bet ko talaga yung bake. Mas bet ko yung cook na oyster. And for our main course, siya, in-order niya yung lobster tail. Ako naman yung captain's platter. So, kasi sa captain's platter, lahat nandun na. May salmon, meron siyang lobster, merong shrimp. Actually, mukha siyang onte pero sobrang dami. Sobrang busog ka na after nito. At since nasa US tayo, hindi sila nagsaserve ng rice dito. So, french fries, lobster, mac and cheese, yung partner ng main course nila. And I love it. Sobrang tasty. Sa salmon, bet ko talaga yung mga original lang siya na ginrilled lang. Ayoko ng maraming seasoning. Kasi mas nalalasahan ko yung fish. Tatanungin ka kasi nila kung gusto mo yung seasoned or original grilled lang. Syempre original grilled lang. At yes, there's an extra fee here. It's a specialty dining restaurant. And ito yung dessert. So far okay naman. Sa dessert, sakto lang. Craving satisfied. And that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!